Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making an Easter wreath, and I'm going to also make an Easter bunny to put inside the wreath. So the first thing I did was just gather the colors of the Deco mesh that I wanted to use, and I used about 7 Deco mesh in the end. And you want to cut strips of 8 inches, which you can do like 6 to 8 inches, and I did 8 inches. I also used a ribbon and I cut those at 7 inches. Once you're done cutting all the Deco mesh, what you'll do is you'll take those that you want to use and you're going to roll it tightly, and then you're going to take the other Deco mesh and you're going to crisscross the Deco meshes, and then you'll apply the ribbons, and then you're going to use a pipe cleaner to tighten it. You're going to place a pipe cleaner over the Deco mesh and then twist it really tight because you want to make sure that everything stays in place. I ended up using between 7 and 11 different bundles per section. Once you're done making all of your bundles, you'll turn the wreath over. You're going to place the pipe cleaner on the 2 brackets that are in the middle of the wreath, and then you'll just continue doing that until the entire wreath is done. The last thing that I did was I wanted to do the Easter bunny. So I actually bought the Easter headband from Dollar Tree, and I just broke the headband portion off to just use the ears. And then I also used styrofoam, and I cut out his butt and his paws, and then I traced it onto the styrofoam. Then I used a utility knife to cut out the styrofoam, and I used white felt to wrap around the butt and also the paws, and used the glue gun to glue it on. And I also added the pink felt and just made like a little design for the paw. And then I glued the paws onto the butt, and it actually fits perfectly inside the middle of the wreath, so you don't have to glue anything. And actually you can just secure it in there. And then I took the headband and glued it to the little portion of the head, and I wrapped pipe cleaners around the sides, and then I took the pipe cleaners and just fastened it just like you did with the bundles, and that was it. It was super easy, you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know, leave a comment below, let me know, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.